Hi and welcome. My name is Aliya Umlajan, shortly Aliya, and I am the sales manager of CUBox. Before we begin, I would like to thank for this opportunity, and it's a pleasure to introduce CUBox and our products. Overview, face recognition, algorithm, and the face API are the general contents of the introduction of the presentation. In the left corner, we see that we are growing into a global AI company, slogan or greetings. In overview, I'd like to speak about us, business area, history, major accomplishments, and product lineup of CUBox. It has been decades since our company established. CUBox is a biometric solution provider. Our core technology, facial algorithm applied in biometric access control in hardware and software. As I said, our AI solution provides biometric solutions, face recognition algorithm, fingerprint recognition algorithm, face recognition solution. Integrated security applied to sectors like integrated security control system, physical integrated security system, and etc. And for airport, there is a passenger processing services. Additionally, we provide platform services such as a logical integrated security system that will apply banking and commerce areas. CUBox history began in 2010. Actual case started from 2013 by implementing ABC e-gates for Ministry of Justice, of course for the building, and Incheon International Airport. 3 years after, we implemented facial recognition access control for major government complexes of Korea. In 2019, major events occurred, such joining our platform service 190 lineup with IATA partners and introducing of facial recognition system at the 2019 ASEAN Korea Special Summit. Last year, there were major implementations and we joined for the face recognition algorithm testing, ranking top in Korea. It is great achievement for first try. I think in this we got investment from Series B in process projects like AI 3D X-ray, Korea Internet and Security Agents pilot projects, and we established our incorporation in Moscow, Russia. More than that, biggest achievement was NIST FRVT test by ranking top 3 globally. I will add information in second paragraph. As I mentioned in history, we began our path by implementing access control management system at government security facilities, and for all airport and seaports, including Incheon International Airport. First overseas case was implementing ABC e-gate system at the Mongolia Chinggis Khan Airport. CUBox product and solution consist of self-manufactured and designed devices, walk-through gates, and our algorithms based on facial recognition, and management system which automatically classifies and saves separate datasets such as face image, body temperature, and access log for personnel. In second paragraph, I'd like to describe and introduce CUBox's own face recognition algorithm. We can skip the sentence in the left corner, pretty much same thing that we were a strong competitor. Face recognition vendor test is a testing NIST, which is National Institute of Standards and Technology. We submitted second time in 2 categories. We ranked in top 3. The algorithm in third in the one-to-one test, Visa border category, and followed that up by topping Visa kiosk category, ranking first in the NIST FRVT 1-to-N. So 1-to-N test is separated into 2 categories: identification, focusing on biometric control application, and investigation intended to test systems designed to identify criminals, missing people, and wanted offenders. The CUBox algorithm scored the highest biometric accuracy in Visa kiosk for the test with a 0.06% false identification rate when searching datasets from 1.6 million Visa border images among 240 global companies and institutions. This algorithm face extraction time scored less than 1 second, proving that fastest among global top 3. Besides face mask effect tests, face recognition accuracy with the face mask using post-COVID-19 algorithms aiming at quantifying face recognition accuracy for people wearing masks. CUBox obtained PAD presentation attack detection such as print, replay, 3D mask attack assurance certification. It is essential technology for financial transactions using facial recognition to block malicious accidents. Plus, we obtained perfect score in KISA, Korean Internet and Security Agency test. So I'm sure that those achievements leads to major projects like implementing in ASEAN Korea's Commemorative Summit 2019 access control for delegates and visitors, 4 major Korean government complexes for 250 users per day, automated border control at Incheon International Airport since 2017. And lastly, as the first case of the one-ID full lineup project in South Korea, SEOPAS has provided self-designed manufactured devices and implemented the systems for one ID registration to boarding. Last paragraph, I would like to go through documentation of Face API. It is cloud-based face comparison API and face authentication API for MFA, multi-factor authentication service. Its function is matching and matching rate of 2 face data images input from security and business areas. Also functioning of comparing the face data image entered for authentication in security in business areas with previously registered faces. Face registration API unique feature point information is extracted through the face image of the target and stored in the server. Face one-to-one comparison API is matching process. Each feature point information is extracted by sending facial images of 2 comparison targets and determine whether they match. Along with face one-to-one matching API is identifying and or many pre-registered templates on server by sending facial data images of the 2 targets and determine whether they match. On top of that, authentication device registration is only approved device allow face recognition API access by performing the pre-registration to use face API, which is access authorization is strongly controlled. In conclusion, I described from overview to how face authentication API can be used in various ways in connection with authentication tasks in security and business areas. It is an integrated API for face authentication that compares 2 face images to check the match rate and various users' face information. We hope our API will be helpful for creating marvelous applications in the future. Thank you.